Have you ever wondered what the internet is actually made of? It's not just a cloud. The internet is a massive physical network connecting billions of devices worldwide. Think of it like a global spider web. The main threads are huge submarine cables lying on the ocean floor, linking continents. These cables connect to data centers, which are giant warehouses filled with powerful computers called servers. This is where websites, apps, and all your data live. When you go online, your phone or computer sends a request to your Internet Service Provider or ISP. Your request, broken into tiny data packets, then travels through a maze of routers and switches. These devices act like traffic cops, directing your data along the fastest path, sometimes bouncing it off satellites or through cell towers. Finally, thanks to protocols like TCP/IP and HTTP, your data packets reach the correct server. The server sends back the website information, and just like that, it appears on your screen. All of this happens in the blink of an eye. If you found this interesting, give us a like and follow for more cool tech explanations.